Hi guys, today is April 19 and here's my babies as of today, April 19. So I just removed their blankets the other day and I haven't watered them yet, but I don't think I'm gonna water them very soon because we have a very big problem. That's why I don't have any new videos of my cactus only now because we've been hit by lightning. So last March 27, there was a lightning strike. It hit our roof. Oh my god, there's a bee. Yeah, it hit our roof and then made a hole and then cracks on the wall. All the wirings been blown up. Plugs, sockets, they've been, they exploded. Yeah, I was the only one in the house when it happened, and in the sitting room where the big explosion happened, glad there wasn't a fire. So yeah, big explosion. I can't hear for a while and I was watching telly, doing my rowing, and then it happened. And then yeah, so we don't have electricity for a month now, almost a month. And since that March 27, we haven't been sleeping in our house because we don't have hot water, we don't have heating, we don't have electricity. So yeah, we've been living on a B&B. We're on a third B&B now, but every day we try and go back to our house just in case, something happen again or bad people will come and, So yeah, I'm just here, making a quick video for today, just to update you guys what's going on. I'm just, I have a few videos, old videos on my phone that I haven't been uploaded. So that's what I'm gonna be uploading, but no new videos yet, only this one. And yeah, I don't know when I'm gonna water this cactus again because I just don't have time. I just do this before I work in the house because I have to remove everything from the cabinet, from the wardrobe. I have to put them all in a boxes and black bags because we're gonna put them in storage. So tomorrow my husband, father-in-law, and my nephew, they will all gonna remove all of our carpets, which are all new. So it's so stressful and heartbreaking and I don't know, depressing and everything. Yeah, so I don't know, I don't have time to do this because I have to, do everything in the house first. And we don't know yet where we're gonna store all our furnitures because they're gonna change all the wirings, and there's a lot of wirings under the floor. So it's a 3-story house. So there's 2 floors that needs to be, they need to open the floor, remove the carpets on all the floors, and then the walls as well. So it's just so stressful because my husband worked hard for many years tidying our house, and now they're gonna wreck it and we don't know if they're gonna put it back on what it was. So yeah, I'll add photos here on the screen of what happened inside the house so you guys can see what really happened. So yeah guys, it's just so sad. So yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna have, I don't know what to say. And it's so stressful guys because the insurance not really that good. It's not really helping at all, not cooperating. Yeah, they giving us they paying for the B&B where we're staying, but it will take a long time before it will go to my husband's account, and then we have to book another B&B, and we don't have that much money to put out to pay for the B&Bs. And then they're not instructing us like go find a storage or people to move your furnitures or people to check this and that and everything. They just, I don't know, nothing moving yet. It's almost a month. I don't know Monday if the electrician will come and start the work, but yeah, it's just so heartbreaking. So yeah guys, that's it, and I don't know when will I do a video again. Okay, bye.